Welcome, my freaks, creeps, and geeks, to a Minecraft video that I am making because, yes, this is right. This is what I'm working with for base. This isn't a server that I play in a lot. Um, there's a villager outpost over there because I'm so fucking smart. Yep. So I decided to put my stuff right next to it. And I'm probably going to try and transform this whole area and eventually take that down. Because I don't know if I'm allowed to technically make a farm out of that. So, yeah, we're probably gonna. Did that shape just appear? Or am I. I'll have to rewatch that. But, anyways, so we're probably going to redo this whole mountain area, like build into the mountain. Because, yeah, why not? And yeah, so I'm probably gonna do like a first floor like area that wraps kind of around this whole area kind of until like right about there, maybe even there. And then this way as well, use that natural arch to my advantage. Um yeah. And then probably eventually like replace this area out here with like walkway or something cool. I don't know yet. I haven't quite planned it that far yet, but we are like in a natural like hilly kind of biome. And there's like birch trees. No, the oak trees. So we're probably going to I don't know yet. But we should probably set up what I do have. I brought it from another base, kind of. So I'm not starting fresh by any means, and this server has like a shit ton of mods on them. So, yeah. But that's okay. Ow. That's a great start. Oh, there's not much. I might have to get a couple of you guys. You guys look like you spawned naturally, so I hope that's not too much of an issue. In the future. So, I have some stuff. Furnace. I have a couple of. I have a lot of stuff actually. I'm not gonna say I only have a little bit because I have a decent amount of things. So I'm gonna. Honestly, I don't know. I just might make like a two door into here because I'm extra like that. So I'm just gonna start setting up my stuff a little bit. I have a lot of stuff in here, like yeah, stuff like oh yeah, I have this shulker box too. Okay, I'm probably gonna need this crafting table right now, just stuff I need right now. Because of like the thing is like I want to. Mm, I don't know if I want to keep this like area like I don't know. I might have to get some dirt to flatten out this at least to this layer level that I'm standing on right now. Yeah. Um, I should probably put some stuff up that I don't need. Like that lava bucket. I don't need this. I don't need this. I found that while trying to find this place, which a friend of mine found this place for me. So, uh, that's gifts. Like I said, we have mods and stuff, so it's great. Um, cherry blossoms or cherry saplings. My bad. You know, dried kelp. I'll probably put that in there. Composter, iron, beetroots, seeds. Like just a bunch of stuff I don't necessarily need. I don't really need this stuff either, but, you know. Yay, cool. And that's most of my inventory cleared. Oh, man, I forgot to put... I'd rather have this than lose that. Oh, well, actually, I'm not going to lose anything. I just remembered we have a keep inventory on in here, so... Oh, dirt. Do I have any more dirt in here? Nope. Okay. Just fixing the hole that I made earlier, and then it's already turning night. Torches. Here. And we got some cobblestone. Oh, man, this is going to be a lot of work, hopefully. I like big projects, so I'm not going to complain about that necessarily. Come on. Sun. No, how? The sun's so down. It is so down. It is all down. Yes. And this is bedrock, so, you know. Oh, they have a fast tick speed. I'm gonna, like, prick myself on them, probably, knowing me. Alright, so if I'm thinking about what I should be doing, because if I'm like kind of leveling out this front area, then I might just take this because they'll be in the way of like whatever windows I might want to do. But I don't want to like okay. I'll just take this. I might mess with the dirt later if it's in my way. Actually, I might just take the dirt and be like, okay, natural selection. Okay. Take this. Just cleaning up this area a little bit. It's not the most interesting thing in the world, I'll admit firsthand, but you know, it's what I'm doing, so. I'll probably end up like because this is pretty tall by itself, so I probably won't modify like this part of it too much unless it's the outside. Like for whatever windows I might want. So like yeah. So I might just fill in certain parts with like stone, which I'll probably end up wasting most of my coal on is stone, so let's already put that in there. There we go. Yay. And then waste my dirt. Actually, yeah, it's not really a waste. It's part of my project. Okay. Well, for the most part, this is kind of yeah. So, what blocks do I have? None, because I'm an idiot completely. Here, I'll just take that stone. Yay. E. Okay. I promise I know what I'm doing. Totally. Yep. And probably start like putting some stone there to help or whatever. I don't want to do like I'm probably gonna like do like I said like a more modern look, so I might do some like concrete because quartz is expensive. While it looks pretty sometimes, and there's a cave there. There's a cave. So I'm probably gonna. Oh no. Well. I'm just gonna write my coordinates down real quick because you know I'm about to go cave dwelling and I am horrible at that kind of stuff because I'm horrible at directions. So let's see. Okay. Oh shoot! I almost forgot to put why I was writing down the chords. Yay! So like I would later on when I'm looking through chords, if I'm lost still, you'll know why. Man. Okay. Ooh, more. Okay, so we're probably going to like I said, I'm going to be filling in this. This is gonna be like a door almost, so probably like right here, and then right here, like inside there'll be a door, more like there'll be like a door inside. There we go. There we go. Gotta love wonky blocks. Yeah. I honestly would like to try and flatten this out with grass as best as I can, in all honesty. But that's just so I could add like maybe flowers or something. I don't know. And then over here we're just gonna add some stone into these weird bits that I don't know what to do with. Because why not? You know. Oh. Another hole. Another hole. You know, just do that. Get some berries. Oh, that one gave me 2. Never mind, I think that one gave me 3. That's funny. Yes, berries. And soon I'll have too many. Because berries are mean. Or, well, they're not too mean. I like berries. Oh no. That'll be okay. I might need some more torches, so I'm gonna grab some torches. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna let those berries grow, honestly. Because I gotta have more important things, you know? Actually, honestly, I could... I was gonna mess with this, but I feel like I should not mess with this. I don't know why. And then I'll put some torches right here. There's immediately a zombie and a spider. Oh, you're an angry spider. It's... Oh. There's another zombie. And that was my phone. Great. Ding. Oh, those are some spooky noises. Okay. Ooh, more places to go up there. And crevices to go down here. Let's go down here. I'm going to get lost so fast. Oh, this is a pretty cave. I should not be here. Well, I should be fine. I have armor, so. Is there anything down there? Oh, shoot. Is there anything down here? Or am I just getting lost? I'm about to just get lost in the abyss. I'm good. I'm good, fam. Let's go. Get up. Get on out of there. Get on out of there. Fast. Okay. Ooh. So fun. Okay, let's go up here. Oh! I'm glad I've written down my coordinates. Because I have no clue where I am now. Oh. Wait. If I go down here... Did I place torches? Yes, I placed torches. Cool. Okay, so that kind of just circles round. I'm gonna have to make a safer way through these mines, because this is the only cave that I know of around here. Watch me fucking dig into that mountain and find another cave. That's gonna be annoying. I hate that, because then, you know, it makes, like, moving things a lot harder. Or, like, you know, making things a lot harder. Not that I... Oh, yay, that's fun. That's great. That's... Okay, this is a big cave down there. That's a huge cave. Okay. Alright, so what I need is sanity. I might not do cave dwelling stuff too much yet. I might just take from what I have here. Like this dirt. Because I'll need a lot of dirt. This dirt. Oh, yes. This dirt. Yeah. Eventually, I will explore the entirety of these caves. But just not right now. Because I'd rather, have a house first. Or at least a little bit of a house. Okay. Oh, those aren't some spooky noises. Those are spooky noises. Then that's a guy from our pack. I guess. Die. Okay. Oh, I love werewolf noises. Okay. Noise. Yay. Good thing I have more. Yeah. I'm gonna have to, like, start getting a bunch of coal, though, because, I don't have any more, like, I used to live in, an area that had, like, a ton of, kelp. Just because I was, like, near the water, so. Doing all the stuff. Oh yeah, it's so cool doing all the things. Yeah, speeding through things, doing things super duper fast. Do 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 do. Really fast. Do 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 do. So interesting. Do 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 do. Doing so many things. Yeah, so fast, so productive, doing all the things. Do 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 do. Look at all the progress being made. Zoom and zoom zoom. Zoomy zoom zoom. All the zooms. The zoomiest of zooming. Yeah, yeah. All the zoomy 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 zoomies. Oh, so fast, showing up. If I'm leveling up this mountain. Okay, yeah, no. I need to be careful not to dig into the ground as much as possible. Preferably. Mostly just because, there's a cave underneath this. Or at least I'm assuming there is. I got too much dirt from that. I gotta put down the dirt, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now it's my phone again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a shit ton of coal. Man. It's not a great start, because now I gotta replace that. No, well, maybe not, Maybe not, maybe not. So, I'll figure it out. It'll be okay. It'll be fine. It'll be alright. Exactly. Probably, this. Yep. I'm probably gonna use fence gates for the door. Don't come at me. Because, Fence gates are pretty cool. They're pretty cool. They're good doors. They're good doors. Mostly because zombies can't break them. So probably and I can put them here and they'll look halfway decent if I put them like there and then there. So yay things. I'm probably gonna put a thing all the way up here. There we go. There we go. Just looking a little better. Just looking a little better. Just a little bit. And then the roof. So gotta be careful not to break this or this. Just keeping that in mind. There we go. Just a little bit of a place. Just 3 places tall. And I'll probably like I said, I'm gonna wrap it around. So I'm probably gonna make it like 4 tall. So I might as well do that. I don't know why I'm being weak here. We can just put a torch here and a torch here. That way we have some good light. And let's just make this a little taller. Because I like tall ceilings. And it helps like just shape out stuff. In my head at least it does, so I don't care. No. I'm not like this part like is pretty easy cuz like I can I don't need to really dig into like one two back. I can't really dig into that too much. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So like about 4 back, I can start really like digging into, and those are probably where my windows are gonna be a lot more. I don't know yet. I'm figuring it out still. So I want to like a weird mix of like white concrete and stone. Probably maybe andesite. So 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's see, and then this is probably gonna take a really long time. Wow. I get super distracted easily. Which is so awesome. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then so it's like 2 out. Like that. There we go. So that's 1, 2. And yeah, so I can only realistically dig into the wall once, but that's better than nothing, okay? And then with this, I'm probably going to try my best to keep it looking as natural as possible. Of course, I'll take these resources later as I go, but for the most part, I might steal that dirt. No, I have this over here. I'm so distractible. I'm sorry. Yeah, so, I mean, that's probably going to be a little bit of a thing. So I'm gonna have a first floor, which is gonna be like 4 blocks tall, roughly. So like 5 blocks tall, because it's like raised one, but like I'll level this out, so technically just be 4. And then up here, it's going to be, I want to say I want to make this also 4 blocks tall, but I don't know yet. And I want to, like, bring out, like, buildings on the sides-ish, you know? Like, circle window kind of projects, maybe. Circle window here. No, maybe, like, a circle window, like, here, and then, like, some small, like, square windows, like, a slit. I don't know how to explain it yet. But, I mean, this is a pretty square, like, mountain ledge, you know? Not to mention that I'm probably going to also use this area as well. I'm not sure yet. I just want to, like, kind of get everything molded out yet first, you know, like, just feel out, you know? So I'm probably going to, like, go back, like, I want to say maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe like 8, just to be safe. Just 8 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because, like I said, I don't want to mess with, like, the outside of this building, like this area, too much, just because that's very complicated. And I don't want to destroy it, because it looks cool, in my opinion. And maybe I'll put, like, a window here or something, like a circle window, and then maybe, like, a long window here, you know? Like, just something more, windowy on the bottom, and then, like, more popping out on the top. And that's a really lame way of explaining it, so I'll probably just continue very fast. Oh yeah. Zoom! Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoomy, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoomy, zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoomy, 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 zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. So cool and productive. All the stuff. Zoom, 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 zoom. Okay, and for that part of the room is pretty much done. Put some lights down, you know, that way we don't get no mobs in here. And I accidentally broke a hole in this wall that I'm going to be continuing on. Of course, I'm gonna figure out what I need to do. So I'm gonna put this in here, and this in here, and I got so much cobblestone because mining all that stuff. I'm gonna have a lot of cobblestone. It's not gonna be great. So, yay. And then all my berries are grown, so I'm gonna just get these. Yay. There's a lot of berries, so I'm probably not gonna replant them anymore yet, at least. Because they grow back super quick, as you can see. Like, that one just instantly grown back, apparently. I might set them up, though, like, on dirt. Like I'll show you guys in a little bit, but for now, I'm pretty, yeah, content on, you know, what I'm doing. And I got some berries, and so that'll probably be the main source of my food, because I'm running low on these sandwiches that I've been given, so, I'm probably gonna want to move my bed inside. I'll probably start moving my other stuff inside, but for now I can like move my bed inside and set my spawn point and yay. Yeah, it's getting dark. What else can I do? Yeah, I don't like that system already. Because, like, you're gonna get poked by these berries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 berry bushes set up. Okay, so let's grab. Okay, I'll just get this. I'll just clear this out for the most part. Just like so. I'm not gonna touch some of this place. I mean, I might do some more. Oh, I actually need to sleep. I'm like, oh yeah. How's my bed far away? Okay. Well, that's great. So I'm probably gonna just take this dirt. There we go. There we go. Okay, I got a log dirt now. Which I'm fairly happy about because now I can start filling in this area a little more. And this doesn't take a minute, so zoom. Okay, and for the most part, that this is now like leveled out for a lot of it. Like, we're gonna probably level this out later. Ooh, maybe I'll put like a homemade lake here or something with like some like andesite stone and cobblestone mixing or something. Who knows? Who knows? And I am done because I still do what I was going to do. Yay! So hold on. Oh man, I got so carried away. I forgot about what I was doing. And, oh, well, I got some extra. Well, I'll just grab this too. I don't know. Now we need to one of our friends joined. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. There we go. And now, just break these. Yeah. I got 48 berries, so I can spare some to grow. Did I get all of them? Yeah. 12 berries. Okay. I might eat some. Yeah, and then I'll put some light here. That way they grow better. I don't know if berries need light. I'm pretty sure they don't. But just to be safe and to keep some mobs out of my base area, then, And now I can put some of these dirt blocks to good use. And ta-da! This is looking pretty decent. I mean, it could look better. Don't get me wrong. But I'm just gonna take some off the side here. I mean, I might just... it'll look wonky. But I was like, oh, maybe I'll just take the dirt from the rest and leave the stone. Nah, let's just do that up here. We can do that up here, and it'll look fine. Hopefully. It'll look fine. Looks ugly. Oh no, I've dug myself in a hole. Oh wait, I'm dramatic. one dirt. And it doesn't look atrocious. Yay. So I just want to kind of like try my best to get this little bit finished a little bit before I start moving on to like other things, because I get super duper distracted by every little thing. So eventually, like I said, I'm probably gonna like make this into like a pond, so I won't even bother filling this in. In fact, I might let me think. I don't know. Yeah, I won't need any more dirt to fill out this area specifically. Oh, maybe just do things like that every once in a while, like put that there, there. Just make it like look a little wonky, because I know sometimes people don't have a very good attention span towards things. Oh, he's run off. He's just zooming away. Crazy. But I might not, let me just check to make sure you didn't text me and I just ignored him. Okay. Anyways. There's a lot of people that don't have the greatest attention span when it comes to certain things, and that's okay. I'm just, not one of those people. I mean, I am. Never mind. Ignore me. I'm a liar. That's what I am. Because I have horrible, attention spans. So, yeah, that's it. I don't have the greatest attention span, but it's okay. It'll be alright. And then of course we got my berries. That's the finally grown. Oh, they turned day. I think someone turned a day. I hope I didn't miss because I was fiddling with my phone for a second because it's been going off on and on. So. Yeah. I just can't wait to see it. My friends are very supportive and I love them. So. I just want to like try and, I don't know, make this look more round without like, I don't know. It's probably gonna be a wonky little lake. I can't call it a river because I'm probably gonna fill it in. Oh yeah, I can move these in now. I have sugar boxes to move. Something I love about shulker boxes, which, you know, I don't know. I personally like being able to move all my stuff. With the shulker boxes, there's something that I don't like is that you cannot put the shulker boxes together, but that kind of makes sense since you can pick them up and they're portable. But let me, tell me why chests can't be picked up, because chests are just basically like boxes, you know? But, I don't know. Also, I'm curious to know, like, what causes more lag? Is, like, chests or, like, shulker boxes? Because, I might have to look that up. Because, you know, lag is a huge problem sometimes for certain things. Now, my goals. Okay. Now, there's like 9 billion sheeps, and now that I have an idea, I'm not allowed. I'm just not allowed to have sheep anymore. So I've been declined access to sheep, just because they were here, and I was like, oh, sheep. I'll not kill them. I'll not murder them. And now that I need sheep because I want carpet, don't ask me why. I just want carpet. I am just not allowed to have sheep anymore. And I see how it is. So, this arm back in here. Do I have any? I don't got any wool. I got string. Does string still turn into wool? Or is that something else? No, it's not something else. I'm not crazy. Carpets. I'll need 2. I see. So I'll put that in there, put the string in there, so yeah. Put this cobblestone in put this andesite, oh, I have more cobblestone. No, wait, no. Oh, lagging inventory, that's great. Love that. Love that for me. Yeah, no, I just broke it. Yay. Okay. That's fine with me. I'm like, oh no, I broke it. Okay, so let's see if I can find some sheepers. Because I have an idea, so I don't have to do my whole, thing. Because if I'm remembering correctly, mobs cannot, or certain mobs can't go over carpet. So. Is that a village? Or is that just a mountain? Because, like, my render just turned slow because. No, it's not a mountain. Oh, but that's a sheep. Bleh. Yoink. I love that. I love that for me. Oh, another sheep! I probably don't, I know I definitely don't need this much wool, but listen, I don't have a farm yet for these animals, because, yeah. Oh, the ocean's right there! The ocean's right there! Oh. I wonder how far I can claim this land. I'll have to talk to the owner. And show her my area later. She's the coolest person. Oh no. Ow. I've injured myself multiple times. But basically, I don't know if anybody comes around here, because originally that's where my friend spawned me, like right over there. And I totally just ignored this part. Like, this was a lot of flat land. I was like, I don't know. I kind of want to be a little, cliff gremlin. And now I'm a cliff gremlin. Now I wonder how far I can extend my area. So I'll have to talk to the owner. See what she thinks. But in the meantime, I'll just focus on this area that I have so many plans for already. And now that it's getting dark, I'm gonna put some carpet down. I'm gonna go make me some carpet. I'll probably keep it as white carpet for now, at least. Make some 3 carpets. Let me just, like, yeah, so I'll probably, like, so I want a door still, so I'll probably put a door, like, inside? I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna work. It's fine, though. It's alright. I will figure it out. So put that there, and there. And this should keep things that I don't want in out. And I can move this inside, because all of my stuff is smelted. So, yay. Okay. I can just put the stuff into a chest. And then I'll just put you here, even though I'm probably gonna expand this wall soon. So it's gonna be awkwardly in the middle of the floor, but that's alright. Or is it? It is. It is alright. I'll just keep smelting me some good old stuff. And I'll put the flour in here. And the shears. That's what I was gonna put it here. I was like, I know what I'm doing. Rat-ta-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta-ta. I should, so... I'm not even sure what kind of doors I want. But I do know I want to put pressure plates here, so... Let's see what I have to make. Pressure plates? Can I make stone pressure plates? forgetting if this is a thing I can do. There's a berry bush? Like, there's a berry sword? What? Okay, I don't think I can. Stone. Maybe actual. I need actual stone. Maybe that's it. Because I could have swore that there's stone pressure plates, but maybe I'm crazy. Stone slab, stone stairs. Pressure plate. Yeah, no, there's stone pressure plates. They just cost 2 stones, I think, so. So we'll put those there. Yeah! Look at that! Look at that! Man, I'm on fire today. Totally. So what kind of doors can I get? Like, because we have mods on here, so why not see what doors I can get? We probably have... We got bamboo doors. That might be interesting. I need bamboo planks. I forgot how I make bamboo planks. Plank. Block of bamboo. Do I have bamboo? Did I bring bamboo with me? No, I did not. It's dark outside though. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Okay. So, Zambos. Zambos. And a creeper. And a skeleton. Okay, I gotta fight this creeper. Don't blow up, please. Fuck you. Okay, gunpowder. Great. Fuck. Garbage. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. Okay dokie. Okay. So we're also probably gonna turn this area into something. Knowing me, so I don't know. I'm just like, oh, okay. We're doing things now. Like I said, I get distracted with small things. So, like, even if I do have a plan for anything, it could quickly just becomes me procrastinating said plan or not knowing how to proceed with said plan, which I'm doing both right now, so. Okay. Does this area look cool now? Yes. I kind of like that. Let's go. That's a vibe. That's a vibe I'm cool with. I don't even know what I'm doing, but it's a vibe. It's all right. It's all cool. It's just all groovy. And then we're gonna just dump the stuff in here. Yay! Dump our coal there. And we can move this. Boom. Boom. There we go. That's sugarcane. We have sugarcane, but we don't have bamboo. Because I'm an idiot, that's why. So, yeah. Okay, so, just to recap what we've done and what we're planning to do, okay? Just no, maybe not even for you guys, just for me, so I can look back later and be like, oh, okay, this is what I'm doing, alright? Okay, so plan, right? Okay, this is gonna be a second story. This is the first story. Working on the first story. Need to move the rooms back, going all around here. We're gonna go all the way around here, stop at this near this. Take this mountain down. Just take it down. Just tear it down, okay? And we're gonna go all the way through here. Make that a cool area. You know, probably maybe an open area more because of the roof, or maybe it's glass. Whatever. See, just throwing ideas out there. That way, something might be better, right? Okay. Bam. Right. Okay. We're gonna have a cave system underground. We're going to make it productive, which means we're eventually going to explore all of it, dig a bunch of it out, and make it safe to go everywhere under there. That way we could put things like plants down there, farms, whatever, okay? Now, for the front door, we're going to put doors here, preferably bamboo. But if I have to settle for oak or something else, you know, I'll probably do that too. Bam, bam, right? Okay, cool, fancy doors. We're going to remove these materials like coal, whatever the fuck this is, you know, from the mountain as we find them. That thing up there, you know, cool, right? The villager outpost will be taken down, probably. I really hope no one leads those fuckers over here. Yeah. Now, berry deface, base defense, okay? So I'm gonna put a bunch of berries around my area, and when I expand, I'll expand the berry deface, it's a defense, okay? We'll expand it, alright? Take the materials as we go, kind of bullshit, right? Yeah. We might expand it all the way over here. That might be all I do. Who knows? Because I eventually want to build my own, like, city, maybe with villagers, trade, all this other cool stuff, just to make it look cool in my area, like people live here and such, okay? So, you know, that's cool. Yay. I hope I went over this. And then we have a swamp behind this mountain. Villager post there. Flatlands over this area over there. And we get llamas, we get cows, sheep. We just gotta wait for them to spawn in. So I hope they won't despawn if I leave them away from the area and like make a farm. But I don't know. We're gonna make this thing into like a lake, probably. And I have my own ideas for that, okay? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on here, but I'm pretty sure that that's all. So, that being said, I will talk to you guys all later. Enjoy your days. Goodbye. And remember, have a wonderful weekend. And that's all.